What I'm going to show you today is how to create custom ringtones on your iPhone without paying for them. First thing you're going to need to do is find a music file that you want and open it in Audacity. Any other music editing program works if you know how to use it. I use Audacity, but you want to make sure that you have an MP3 file. If it's an M4A or an AAC, it's not going to work. You can use iTunes to convert it to MP3. All you need to do is go into your iTunes preferences. In the General tab, click Import Settings and make sure you select MP3 encoder here. Click OK. Right click on the song you want to change and click Create MP3 version. I've already done that with my song Weightless by All Time Low, which I'm going to use as my ringtone. I go over to Audacity, open it up. I'm going to select about 32 seconds of the song. Go to Edit, Trim, Effect. You can fade out so that it doesn't suck so bad. Actually, you don't want to fade out that much. What you want to do is select just the last couple seconds and go to Effect, Fade Out. So it'll fade out the song. And then you'll go File, Export as Wave. You want to save that into whatever folder you are saving it into. Just make sure you keep track of it. Then in iTunes, add to library, find that wave folder that you just used, or that wave file, open it up, and then you want to change your iTunes preferences back to using AAC, okay, and then you want to find the wave file that you just added. Let's see, where is it? Date added, weightless. Then you want to create AAC version of it. That's created. Show that in Finder. Then you'll want to move that back to your folder where you're keeping your ringtones. Okay, then you want to take this M4A file that you just created and you want to change that to M4R. Change that extension. And it's going to ask you if you want to change the extension or keep it. You want to use M4R. Then what you need to do is have some sort of SSH program. I use CyberDuck. I think it's the easiest one to use. When CyberDuck opens up, you need to open a connection, find the IP address of your iPhone, make sure your computer and your iPhone are connected to the same network, otherwise it's not going to otherwise it's not going to work. What I do is I actually create my own network here in System Preferences. I enabled creating my own network. So I have my own network there, my iPhone is connected to it. So I type in the IP address of my iPhone. The username for the iPhone by default is root, and the password is Alpine, A-L-P-I-N-E. Connect to it, allow. Then what you need to do is go up and up, go into your var folder, your mobile device. It's not where it is. Let's see. Library. There it is, ringtones. And then you'll take your ringtone that you just created, copy it over to that folder, allow again, it copies it over, go into your iPhone settings, go into your sounds. I'm doing this now, I don't have my camera on my iPhone. Go into ringtone and it'll show up right in your folder and you can play it in there. playing from my iPhone is the new ringtone. Hope you like it.